Differences, we got differences. First you love me, then you hate me, what the difference is. I know you miss me, hit that call back. I wanna get that vibe back, love back, on the right track. Know you love that, missing you, no I've been missing on you. You can confide, but he bet not be kissing on you. Listen, I do, wanna make this right tonight. Can we chill? I don't really wanna fight tonight, come on.
I didn't notice falling apart, feeling so hopeless. I'm fighting for my love, but I can't fight alone. I know we could start it over if you would pick up the phone. Guess you don't need me tonight.
Don't need me tonight.
Don't need me
tonight.
Don't need me tonight.
Need me tonight. No, you don't need me tonight.
Your boy learned how to use a bandsaw this morning. Man, I got up at 2 in the morning, can you tell? And look what I've accomplished. I'm in Jesse James because I'm cold with it. Tell you what, that's what I got done so far today. How's it look? Something you don't see every day. We got the fuel system done today. Thanks, David. Appreciate you. David made these dope brackets right here. See the brackets? He made the brackets, and Hayden welded them Johnny's on.
Muévense, mueve con mi cumbia. Escúchame, escucha mi cumbia. Muévete, mueve con mi cumbia, porque mi cumbia te llena de verdad. Muévete, muévete, muévete.
It damn sure don't look as good as Magic Johnson, I'll tell you that much. Ain't that right, David?
Nah, this ain't, it's clean.
You like this car?
Yeah.
It grows on you.
It's nice enough to be a nice car, but it's not ratty enough to be like a shit box, you know?
It's got more nice parts on it than Magic Johnson does. That's for damn sure. Yeah, look, Magic Johnson ain't got none of that down there, boy. Shoo! Get a load of all this brothers. Brother.
Bottoms up, hands down, we're the best in town or something like that. Sorts of stupid shit for business and stuff like that. Open a lumber yard. Like,
Called Get Real.
get real. There you go. See?
If you're in the Colorado area, hit up my boy. Yeah, if you're in Colorado, it doesn't matter what part, any part of Colorado, come check on this shaky motherfucker who says he's been sick all day long. Now I'm sitting next to him. Out here eating sushi. Check this menu out. French casserole. Got a mignon, something skewer. Me and the boosted boy. Look, hella progress getting made over here. Look, headers made. Yeah, just made those up yesterday. No big deal. Fucking crossovers damn near knocked out. This crossover's done. Look at that. Need to put a fucking... Oh, it's even got a wastegate Johnny on it. It just needs a little Bung Johnson on there. Bung Johnson.
Bung Johnson.
It needs a Bung Johnson.
Listen to that.
And then downpipe situation. Yeah, we're good to go.
Getting close.
Thanks for your help, bro.
Yes, sir. You showing me a sick ball. Jimmy, do it or
Yeah, you want it in wide angle?
wide angle? What's wide angle?
What's wide
The
angle?
fuck is that? I got
Yeah.
dyslexic camera.
Look at that, boy. Fully dyslexic.
Something like that.
On the spectrum. That's definitely on the spectrum.
I don't know. Why does this look so weird now? You want it like that, don't you?
I don't know what I want it like. What do y'all think? It's going to be so big. Who cares? Well, we're all like planning the tip. It's going to be funny when we run out of 5-inch and it's just straight.
It's just like this. It's barely there.
Yeah, exactly.
We got 42 inches of straight.
Yeah.
And 42 inches of downpipe. We gotta make.
Exactly. So no mess ups, okay?
Oh yeah, no pressure.
We literally drove I drove all over Denver. We borrowed. This is borrowed, and then we cut it up.
I now have no exhaust on my car.
Oh yeah. I told you I wasn't trying to cut your car's exhaust up. Look.
Yeah.
You could just run it like that.
Yeah, it won't even start like that because the
We'll just zip tie the O2 sensor like that. It'll be close enough.
Right.
Maybe.
It'll be alright.
It'll be alright.
They don't need to go nowhere anytime soon.
I mean, yeah, it does.
Small tire, little gangsters.
Little gangster, small tire, gangster tires.
Jimmy no hide.
Yeah. Yeah. Jiminy Christmas.
Oh no. Alright.
Jimmy in Colorado. We just got done talking about how much bullshit Poland is. But he ain't got shit on this kit.
Ain't got shit on this kit, boy.
Hey, Poland, use his foot pedal, bro. Nah, you know, I was wondering if I get a tax reduction for having a friend that's so damn ugly.
Yeah. I want to make some. Well, you probably do it easier than that, to be honest, because the problem with that one is like.
I'm in the Springs right now.
Turn right.
I get it. Turn right. Yeah. I'm in Colorado Springs, headed back to Texas. It's Thursday. Tomorrow,
To I-25 south.
Jimmy's in Colorado, in Texas, in Ohio, in Colorado, in Kentucky, in Oklahoma, in Arkansas. Now we're in Louisiana. Now we're back in Texas. No, but for real, I'm back in Texas. I drove 10 hours last night. I didn't even leave Colorado until like 2 in the afternoon. I got home at like 3 something in the morning and crashed out and took the tires to Hilltop this morning and got them swapped out, so we got radials going on. Hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. Be at War in the Woods. I said it. I said, I'm going to be at War in the Woods. Come see me. I'll be at War in the Woods. War in the Woods. Well, life happens, okay? I've been Jimmy Dalen a little too hard again, and I'm just tired, and I'm beat. And I'm beat financially, and I'm beat mentally, and I'm beat physically. And so traveling to War in the Woods this week wasn't really in the cards because we got Small Tire Gangsters September 30th, all right? Call your baby mama, let her know you getting the kids this weekend because I'm going to Small Tire Gangsters September 30th at Yellow Belly Raceway. Anyhow, now that I got that out of the way, your boy is back in Texas. The Hood to Hood picnic is this weekend, okay? I've been telling y'all about Hood to Hood Racing. Hood to Hood Racing is where all the grudging and all the shit talk in the DFW, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, South, in the South, happens in Hood to Hood Racing. Y'all can go join Hood to Hood Racing, and you can keep up with all the drama and the who's fighting who's racing who got maced this weekend, who got tased, who went to jail, all kinds of crazy stuff. Most importantly, you can keep up with where the races are happening in this part of the country. So Hood to Hood Racing has their own race. My boy Ethan Williams has got his race. He's the founder. Everybody in DFW's one of their favorite events of the year, other than Small Tire Gangsters, other than a Jake's race, is for sure, other than a radio roundup, is no doubt Hood to Hood picnic. But Modale has been really focused on getting orders done. And I hacked it all the way down to below 100 orders waiting, and then it got out of control again, and now I think I'm back below 100 orders again. So we're getting caught up on merch. Everybody who's been buying merch recently, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You're helping put diesel in the truck to get from Colorado to Ohio to Memphis to Tennessee to Louisiana to Texas to Ohio to Texas to Ohio to Texas to Colorado to Texas. Yeah, you know what I mean? Now I'm swerving. I'll get off of here. Made it. Hood to Hood Picnic 2023, I think, whatever year it is. We're already struggling, bro. You already know them weekends where we're struggling are the weekends that we do good. We struggling just to get here right now. The line's all the way out to the damn highway. I got Buddha and JoJo at the driver's meeting. They saying I gotta fill out my tech card. Man, crazy, dog. And yeah, but we out here, we getting it. boy, Top Gun shootout, hood to hood picnic. We made it. We're super last minute. I don't even know if my tune-up's anywhere close, but we're gonna try something. They doing the card shit, you know, no chip draw, just cards. I ain't a fan, bro. Jimmy don't like that.
It's a good old-fashioned butt kicking.
There's angry and then there's livid. I'm livid.
No excuses, no nothing, no nothing.
I shouldn't even be allowed to own a damn race car. I can't drive so bad. Fucking pathetic.
They're really good old-fashioned butt kicking. Seemed like they had our number. And it's not a talent gap. You just got your butt kicked. It just happens sometimes.
Every disease cured with ease by this blessed formula based on ancient scripture.
You just buy this here Jimmy Dale merch?
Soaking us every morning, and that's it. Done. $100 for a 1 month jug. Additional jugs, only $65 a pop. And I make nothing. Zero. Zilch. By the time I pay all my scientists, all my people in my research department lab coats, it's a wash. Well, why you do it then, baby Billy? Well, because I'm selfless. And I want to heal as many people as the dear Lord lets me.